Hi there and welcome. Your copy of the 3 steps to build recurring monthly income that you have control over is ready for you right below this video. If we haven't met yet, my name is Lynette Badenhorst. I'm an independent wealth engineer with Viewpoint. I'm not working for them. But if you are watching this, chances are that you are completely done with trading your precious time for a fixed salary that just doesn't cut it anymore. You might be tired of the corporate squeeze, the endless commute, and building someone else's dream while yours waits on the back burner. And I get it. And let me tell you, you are not stuck. What you have right here on this page is the exact framework to change the game. This isn't about active selling, chasing people, or any old school hype. Personally, I've used this exact independent system to build an asset that has paid me a recurring monthly income for 124 consecutive months without fail. We live in a digital world, and this blueprint shows you how to leverage simple technology to build a genuine asset-based income stream. The best part? The input cost to start building this asset is less than a single meal for two, and it can become entirely self-funding if you follow the steps. A quick heads up, I usually share this specific strategy only with my private training community, Team Eagle, but for a limited time, I've made this blueprint completely free. So go ahead and open it today while it is fresh in your mind. But here's exactly what to do next to take control of your financial future. First, click the button right below this video and download your blueprint immediately. Step 2, if you're an action taker who wants to skip the guesswork and see the exact licensed regulated system I use to generate this income, click the link below to go straight to my information page. From there, if it makes sense to you, you can launch your own income model on the Viewpoint platform. Just make sure you use my reference number W1 000 944 so that you can link directly to me and my team and I can help and support you. Step 3, let's actually connect. No bots, no automated corporate walls. Simply drop me a WhatsApp right now at 082 783 5661 and tell me, Lynette, I'm ready. My team and I are ready to back you up with our full 90-day onboarding track to get you moving fast. Go ahead, grab your blueprint right now and let's start writing your freedom story right now. Bye for now.